Hey guys, it's your girl JustzBee coming at you guys with another rainbow haul. So let's just hop right into it. Y'all know my bottle. Y'all know my bottle. Definitely already I have worn this dress probably twice. It's just like as soon as it came, I loved it. I love the colors. I love the feel of it. It has that really soft cotton material that just feels good, you know. The first thing I love about this is the colors. Pink and purple are my favorite colors. I love the length. This is in a mini dress that I got it pulled down. Literally, I could throw this on and go about my business. I don't have to be worrying if anything showing. You know that dance move, girl. I remember every time I was going to the club, literally I just started holding my dress, just walking, holding my dress at the bottom. I just didn't have time. Overall, would I wear this dress again? Yes. Would I continue to wear this dress? Yes. Do I love this dress? Yes. Do I like the colors? Yes. This is a yes. This is just a big yes for me. I don't know. I love it. You tell me, what do you think? Now, this next dress right here is giving me all type of Rihanna vibes, baby. Come on, boy, can you get it up? But I love this one. It's very, very similar to the last dress. It's the same length, but it covers up more up front, which could be really helpful and good. Sometimes you don't want to keep having to check on the girls. Sometimes you want to know the girls is all right. I absolutely love the colors. Okay. Colors are amazing. High neck in the back as well. Now y'all remember the last time I was on Rainbow, I ordered those black sandals with the little pyramids on the top, and I was like, oh my god, these are so cute. I wish I got them in nude. And I actually had someone comment in the comment section below and was like, girl, I got the new pair, they hella cute. And I was like, ooh sis, I'm jealous, okay? And then Jesus happened. Or God. I don't know who was responsible for this beautiful blessing right here. Boom, 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 boom. Y'all, I got it in my big old feet size. I'm sure me and Megan Thee Stallion probably wear the same size shoes. But yes, y'all, I got them in this new color. And when I seen this dress, I loved it because I felt like it had all the colors. Ooh, sorry, I'm kicking the camera. I kicked y'all. But yeah, I seen that. And baby, when I tell y'all, I have got so many compliments on the nude pair. I have gotten so, I don't think, I wore them twice already. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, kind of procrastinated on this haul just a little bit. I had a lot of other stuff going on, and y'all, I just needed that time to myself, okay? So yeah, but I think I wore the new sandals twice, and each time I wore them, oh sis, they was putting respect on my name. Respect on my name. See, because if you a rainbow shopper, then you know about these. Maybe chic. I think I've seen them at chic before too. But if you do rainbow or chic or something like that, then maybe you know about these bows. But everybody don't know about these bows, baby. Everybody don't know about these bows. And they seen the black ones, but everybody ain't seen the nude, okay? So y'all better get on game. Y'all better get on gang. Sandal gang with a bow, multiple color pyramids on that hoe. Damn, I was so close to rhyming. Oh, Cardi, sorry. thumbs up. I'm gonna wear it again. There we go. Now I can leave. So I'm back on my shirts, y'all. This was my first love with Rainbow, was the shirts. Now, Rainbow, let's have a conversation, okay? Rainbow, is you listening? Is you listening? Stop cutting up all the goddamn shirts. Stop. I don't need this. This is extra. I don't need this. This is extra. You could give me this same plain Jane regular shirt, just like this, same imagery, same everything, and just leave it as a whole shirt. You don't have to do all this extra stuff. It's really not necessary, I promise you. And then I was like, okay, well maybe I'll make it a crop or something, but I don't want to cut the queen off, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to cut the queen off. But it's a really cute shirt. I got it in a 3X. I love the imagery. I love the colors. You can dress it up. I just have it with a simple pair of jeans right now, boot cut. And yeah, I love the shirt, but that's my only thing. Like, I really, all of their shirts, they have some type of weird like ruffle thing on the side, or they're shredded. And I just really want Rainbow to just leave the shirts alone. So, next I got this dress. I got it because it was like calf length. Yet again, something super comfortable that I can throw on. Because, child, it's just been so hot where I'm at. Whew. So when I originally ordered this dress, I ordered this dress because I bought these cute fur slides from Amazon, and I was like, oh, I don't want to get these and I have nothing to go with it. So I was like, oh, okay, I'll get this dress. Now I could wear these with this dress, but that would be forcing it. So we ain't gonna do that. Now, I ended up buying some slides from Rainbow this go around, but I bought them just because. So these cute little jelly slides, they're not to go with this outfit, but they're in a size 11. I love them. Jellies, super cute with a fat bow. How can you not? How can you not? Oh, this dress I absolutely love, very comfortable. I can wear my little slides or not. I can wear some thongs, whatever. But it's just something soft and comfortable to put on, and I love the colors. Rastafari or ho ho ho. What? So I don't know what happened to the rest of this video. I was editing it and the whole half is gone, so here we are. So this is the last dress. I love it. It's stretchy. Now the zipper zips all the way down. Now I'm a little worried about these straps because they're thin, but they seem to be hanging in. There's a little bit of a triangle padding right here. So this is the dress inside out, just to show you the little see, they have like a little padding right here, a little triangle padding in here, and I guess these black slips to, I don't know if this is to cover your nips, but I just wanted to give a close view of that. Zipper in the back. I actually think the back looks cute. It has adjustable straps. not too short. The length is just right. I love the cute little circles of the detail. You can kind of wear it open a little bit. That's how you like to wear your stuff, and then how big your boobs are. And yeah, it's a fun, cute dress. Perfect for anything summer. Okay, so I also got these. They're just some regular jelly sandals, some regular flops, and I just love the bow. I've already worn them like 3 times. You can see it's all scuffy inside, but it's just super cute because you're gonna need a cute regular pair of thongs. Why not have a bomb bow on top? That's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I had a good time. I love Rainbows. One of my favorite stores. I've been shopping at Rainbows since middle school. I remember when my dad used to have a school shopping budget, and I used to get to spread it around different stores. Rainbow was definitely one of my favorites because they always had the cute, trendy stuff. The thing that I like about Rainbow is I feel like their prices never got too crazy. You know, some stores, as they get more successful, the prices go up, but Rainbow has always been pretty reasonable on prices forever. So, as always, from love from me to you, have a great motherfucking day, evening, night, noon, snack, lunch, dinner, whatever it is for you. I just hope you enjoy it. Love you guys.